Annick Castle. Uy, Annick Garden. Walang pagkain dito. Kasi kinain na natin lahat ng egg natin doon. Gab, dahan-dahan yung sa spa. Uy, eto na. Castle. Dito yung Diagon Alley. Daming ships, oh. Ano? Iangat mo yung paa mo, Tani. Mauubos ang gold niyan. Uy, oh.
That's alright, I've seen you leave, you're alright. Lovely.
No, visit
That's for
This
poor.
is the exit.
Oh, castle. Uy. Shucks. Ang putik pala, mami. Ang putik pala. Ano tayo, CR? Uy. Pali mo nga, anak. Saka kaka. Matakit po. Wala. Ako muna. Toilet. Asan? Ganito yung mga lords. Alam mo yung lords? Dito nag-practice ng broomstick si Harry.
Cuidado.
Bukas. Ayun o dyan o. Yan ang kainan o. Pero si CR muna ako. Naiihi ako eh. Courage lang. Courage. Toilets. Toilets. We'll have 2 margarita, please. Yeah, just that. Gab, abang mo ah. Buta pang. Pahinga ako ng oil, olive oil yan na may chili oregano ako. Chili olive oil? Oo. May chili to, malaki oh, yan.
Gusto ko olive oil.
Nandun. Sarap to. Mm. Mm. Hindi maanghang. Hindi maanghang. Alin? Punta tayo dun sa ano, yung may costume. Tara mag-costume tayo. Magiging ano ka? Isa kang medieval na may bangs. Ano? Oh, dali na. Huwag ka na makulat. May kinakasal na tikbalang. Hindi mo nakita? Oo. Hindi mo nakita. Ay, si mama ang tagal oh. Hindi mo nakita. Yung kinakasal na tikbalang. Tanong mo kay mama mo. Sarado yung Dragon Quest. It, Gab.
Like I said, I'm fine.
Yeah, mag-borrow tayo ng costumes. Oh, dito kayong dalawa, oh. Picture, picture. Ayun nyo naman, ma? Teka lang, pinipicturean nga siya ni mama dun eh.
Dito pa.
Ay, oo nga, no. Ito pala. Ayun, no. Ayan, kunyari, natanggal na yung ulo mo. Ay, punta tayo doon sa mga dragons.
Nasaan yung hari pa?
Ay, hindi pa yan. Dito tayo. Ice cream armory. Ito ice cream. How much ice cream dito? Wala ice cream. Let's go, let's go. Ayun ang armory. Ayun, alert the armory.
We have one more space.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And they are the same number as church bells meaning. It has a very loud ring to it. I thought that was incredibly loud.
Gagawa daw siya ng soap?
Great fairy.
Sige, gumawa ka ng soap dyan.
Natural cooling effect and natural numbing agent. Also spraying constantly rubs and makes it work a lot better. This one here is rose petals. Now you've got it clearing your skin. Now you've got a wonderful nice this is yarrow. Incredibly strong antiseptic. Incredibly good.
Sa Dragon Quest natin. Ay, nag-aaral sila dyan mag-ano. Medieval. Let's go. Si Gabi gumagawa pa ng sabon eh. Carriage. Ah. Si Gab nagdudurog. Nagdudurog si itang ano, sabon.
Yeah, so I was looking at some of them online, how much they cost.
Yeah.
Not cheap, are they?
Saka ng night. Gab, ipapa-night kita. Ay, may sword do. Ayun oh, may sword. Let's wait. Magtotok daw si ate.
Great. So, my name is Joy, and in order to really talk about armour and weapons here at Alnwick Castle, we have to go back 1,000 1,000 years, because there's been a stone fortress here for 1,000 years, Norman in origin. And 1,000 years ago, on the battlefield, you would see soldiers in helmets like this, the nasal, a Norman-shaped helmet, domed at the top, which is a life-saving device, because if you get something hurled, you may know it as chainmail, but back then we called it mail. And this one is made of hundreds, sometimes thousands of links of metal butted together, so it's called butted mail. And now I would have to be here for a very, very long time to wear through this metal, because nothing, not a graze, nothing. This is a very, very good form of art.
If you are not magically inclined, you will have a clue. Are you ready to risk it? Let's find out.
Siliit.
Let's find out.
Uy.
It wasn't really a good combat helmet. We're always kind of trying to improve our weapons and our armor.
Yun maganda.
The Sugarloaf helm.
Yun ang maganda. Oh.
Do you want to try this one? The Sugarloaf helm, a slight improvement on the Great Helm in that we've got the pointy dome back.
I'm not trying to look.
Yun, no?
It's more practical perhaps for carrying a lance, whereas if you're using something smaller and more intricate, you might want to wear
Galing eh, no? Haba eh. Oh. May fingers. Yan. Hindi kita nakikita. Naririnig ka.
Ha?
Bakit si Gabi hindi naka-costume?
Ewan ko,
Mag-costume ka nga.
Bili na partneran mo si Dragon.
Ayokong pes. Bukas yung ano, hindi, meron doon na, meron doon na noble. Yung ano, galing mo. Ayun na. Ay, hindi yan pang walis. Teka, magsintas ka muna.
Gabayan mo tumal.
Yun oh, helmet. Oh, protektado ka na, okay. Alright, thank you. Okay. Ayun oh. Dito kayo sa ano. Ayun oh, broomstick. Teka. Gaili, tingin nga.
1, 2. O, sigab lang mag-isa.
O sige. Sigab. Sa ano ba si It Peasant? Si It. Hindi, sarado. Alam mo ba may malaking dragon dyan? Oo. Uy, oh. Kailan ba to? Ano ba to? Dito yata yung house eh. Asan ba yung house? Doon ba o doon? I'm Judy.
I saw it. The other day, like, got that. I'm gonna have a look. This is amazing. This is Franco, I know nothing about this Franco.
Yung bahay. Hanap namin yung bahay. Ayun. Daw, kabo.
Yeah, fine.
Prison. Oh yeah. Gab, let's go. Ganda oh. Ito na bahay yata to. Tapos kapag kami mga na ano kayo, di ba diyan ka sa silid? Oo, diyan ka sa ano, pag kami may nahuli ka, yan, diyan mo sila ilalagay. Tapos ito yung mga bala ng kanyon. Gab. Gab, ayun yung mga bala ng kanyon. Ay, may explosive sa loob yan. Oo, may gunpowder yan. Ito, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Tara, let's go. Diyan ba nagpa-practice sila, Harry?
Tayo ka, tumalong ka,
Uy.
talon.
Ay, tara. Ay, Gab. Ano nga dito eh? Payag ka ganito kalaki ba? Pero ulo mo. Payag ka ulo mo, munggo. Gusto mo dun sa warm-up siya? Ano ka ba ito? Kailangan na, marami kang anak eh. Ayun oh. Bukas pa pala oh. Baka naman eh ito, tumalon. Ha? Back to the river ship. Gab. Gabriel. Pasok ka dun. Sa tower na. Mukhang mahirap dito.
Defend.
This is called the llama, Holton. Llamas died out from Britain as a peregrine, but they are equally as dashing as a panther. And the thing about a falcon
Ay,
is that it is designed to catch other birds.
it's a
So it
falcon.
has to fly high,
It falcon.
range quite wide, and it has to be pretty acrobatic because
Ayun yung falcon oh.
keep up.
Alaga niya falcon. Ayun yung alaga niya. Babalik yan. Babalik yan. Falcon. Hindi mo nakikita. Babalik yan. Ayun. Ayun. Oh. Falcon. Pababalikin niya yung falcon. Ha? Ayun. Ayun, ito. Ayun, yan.
And he's not interested, and then suddenly he appears and makes a low-level approach.
Kukunin niya yung hawak. Kakatch niya.
And the power that a peregrine does, they don't have. We're going to call the falcon now.
Eh, tatawagin niya na. Tatawagin niya na yung falcon. Chuchu. Ayun na. Tagal ah. May magic word. Malakas ah. Paano kung hindi na bumalik? Yaring siya doon. Asa na? Nawala na. Manawala na.
I think it's drifting around outside that castle wall now. Hello! Give it one more call. And we can see exactly where it is. So we know whether to run out or whether to stay here and keep it.
Mukhang wala na. Nawala na yun. Ayun na siya. Ayun na. Nawala. Hindi ko nakita. Nawala. Nawala yung ibon. Dali na, tumbling na. Amin na.
Kuha ko kayo din.
Oh God, harap. Bumalik na.
Tapag.
Asan na siya? Let's go, dito. O, tumambling ka na, ga. Eat.
Hindi ako tatamli.
Tangi, dapat tumatumbling ka. Para matindi ka. Ayun na siya. Ay, hindi siya. Ay, ayun na, si Falcon. Ay, ang ganda ng garden, oh. Ang hangin naman. Alam mo ba kung saan tayo sasakay?
Hindi. Lalakad tayo.
Pero,
Saan tayo umano kanina?
lalayo tayo nun. Papunta tayo sa malayo.
Bakit?
Ha? Hindi doon ang sakayan.
Saan?
Hindi doon sakayan pa uwi.
Google Maps. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, ganda naman ang anak ko. Ano yung palayo ka uli?
Ito yung bus station.
Ano kabilang street? Hindi ah.
Ito yung bus station. Gusto ko na.
May ano dyan eh. Parang tumabing eh. Oh. Sandstone. Na ma 4:15 ha. Grabe 2 hours to ba? Sa alog. Yung daming tupa. Garbage. Ayun na. Simbahan na.
Charred grilled rice.
Oh, sige.
Ay, hindi. Nasaan yung in-order kong rice dati? Ano?
Kapag sa'yo?
Nasaan yung in-order kong rice? Last Friday.
Tigilan mo yung liit, hindi ka naman, ikaw? Ay, hindi ka chicken. No, chicken.
Kapano sa'yo ba? Ha? Rice ka ba? Ma-rice daw sa gabi.
Sige.
Beef, beef rice.